Hello everyone. Today we are making Palak Paneer in an easy way. It is so delectable and super tasty. Take 200 grams of paneer and chop into cubes and simmer for 2 minutes until it turns to light golden color and set aside for later use. Fried paneer is optional. You can use the paneer directly without frying. To a large vessel goes a bunch of palak or spinach leaves. Add around 1000 ml of water to it and let the water come to boil and blanch the leaves finely. Immediately drop the palak leaves into a iced cold water. This helps to retain bright green color. Blend into a fine paste. In a large kadai, heat 2 tablespoons of oil, a tablespoon of butter, cardamom, 3 clove, 1 inch cinnamon, a cup of finely chopped onion. Add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute until the onion turns to golden brown color. Add the spice powders, half a tablespoon turmeric, a tablespoon of chili powder, a tablespoon of coriander powder, half a tablespoon fried cumin powder and salt for taste. Optionally add half a tablespoon of garam masala. Give a stir for about a minute, then goes the chopped tomato and cook the tomato until it turns soft and mushy. Add in prepared palak puree and saute for a minute. Cook the ingredients until you can see that the oil floats on the surface. Now add the fried paneer and simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. This stage, add half a tablespoon garam masala. Not for about 2 to 3 minutes until the ingredients blend well. Add 1 cup water or the spinach cooked water. Adjust the consistency as required. When I stir and saute for about 3 minutes on medium flame. Now for the final tadka, into the tadka pan goes 2 tablespoons of ghee or a butter, tablespoon of cumin seed, let it splatter, then goes tablespoon of finely chopped ginger and garlic and 2 red chilies. Transfer this tadka to the palak paneer pan. Add half a tablespoon of kasuri methi. If you want, add 2 tablespoons of cream, tablespoon of grated paneer. Mix well. Finally, enjoy your palak paneer recipe with roti or rice.